What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are gonna be unboxing and reviewing the DJI mic. Alright, so we also got the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. I will be doing another video on that one separately. For now, we will be unboxing this. So what's cool about this mic is that it's very portable. It has a 250 meter transmission range. It has dual channel recording. It can record up to 14 hours of onboard memory. It's compatible with almost anything, your smartphone, iPhone, Android, camera. So real quick, the receiver has a built-in touchscreen. So it comes with 2 transmitters. Because of that, it's ideal for multi-person interview. You can speak to the camera from a distance without wind noise or traffic noise. The mic can be literally right on your shirt like that. It will automatically pair once you open this case. Both receivers have built-in storage. It can record crisp audio at up to 250 meters. We're gonna have to test that one. Opening here doesn't give you any tabs or anything. We get a tab here. Oh, that's nice. We'll put this to the side for now. All right, so this is the main thing right here. Look at that. They just put it in the box just like that, real nice. Oof, that's pretty sticky. All right, let's see, bismillah. Oh, yeah. So it tells you the charging. 3 dots right now. It's supposed to be at 4 for full charging. This is already blinking. That's a nice snap right there. Listen to that. Charger back here, cool hinge. It looks like a iPhone AirPod case, but a lot bigger. Pretty cool. Oh wow, look at that. It tells you the charge. Oof. Wow, this is so small. For some reason, I thought this would be a lot bigger. This is really sexy. Oh, this is a magnet. This is the one where you snap on your shirt, or you put the magnet on here and your shirt in between. It's really cool. And you get another one here too. And these are the adapters. This is the Type-C. I have an iPhone, so I will be using this more often. And it's charging. Ooh, look at this, dead cat. This is to put on the mic itself to prevent any wind. So we'll go ahead and try to see where do we stick this. And by the way, this pouch has like 2 sections. It's pretty cool. It's not a normal lay mold pouch. It has all the manuals and all the stuff over here. So you have to connect this. This is the mic right here with this. See how they connect? Dang. Perfect fit. Look at this cool mic. This guy is super cool. You have to twist it so it doesn't fall off. This guy has like Justin Bieber hair. You get a Type-C charging cable. You get this audio cable so you can connect to a camera. And you get another one of these. And I don't think you can close it like that. So you're gonna have to remove that. Close it. You have your little pouch. Pretty sexy, I like it. For carrying around, traveling with, I think it's perfect. And to charge all in one. If you want to charge this, and this, you just go ahead and put it in and plug this to charge this too, the case. That's really cool. You don't have to worry about charging this separately, charging that separately, and waiting for those to charge and then charging this. So DJI did something new here. This is pretty sick. By the way, what's super cool is it says mic on both of these transmitters. That's the receiver. Okay, so you press record. It does this little vibration thing. Super cool. It goes vroom. Another thing, this magnet is like super hard to remove. So if you want to stick it on a jacket or something, you're set. Like it won't fall off. It's really hard to remove. It's super strong. Yeah, I can't do it. You need to like spin it off or slide it off. I want to use this microphone. I will connect this into my phone because I am using a phone to record right now. So we just slide it in like that and we go ahead and put it in the phone. Use a mic. Okay, now it's working. Now I pulled out one mic. You have to take this out of the case to start recording. So that one is recording separately and this one is connected. Hello, mic check 1 2. I went to the grocery store and I got me a bag of Cheetos. Okay, so now I am filming. I'm about 2 meters away from the camera. I'm at a park. There's some traffic here. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to the phone now. You gotta power it on by pressing once and twice. Hold it. for the second time. We go ahead and put in this lightning adapter since I'm using an iPhone. It's really hard to remove. That's another thing. I wonder if it's already hearing better or not. Can you hear me any better? Same distance, about 2 meters away. I have the dead cat on. Go ahead and attach this to myself. I'm gonna go to that tree over there. Okay, let's see. I'm talking right now. You know, don't you hate it how Obi-Wan was standing when he went to talk to Anakin and he made Padme look bad? Like Anakin would have probably listened to Padme and see what she had to say, and maybe turned back if Obi-Wan wasn't standing like that, you know? I don't know. Like and comment if you think I'm right, you know? Let me see if I can go behind this tree. Mic check 1 2. Go ahead and hit that like and comment below if you agree with me. The Jedi have turned against me. Don't you turn against me. You know what I mean? I have brought peace, freedom, and prosperity to my new empire. Your new empire. All right, I just made it back from the park. So my final thoughts on this mic. As a beginner, for someone who's never had a mic before, this is really perfect. It's so simple to use. You literally just have to plug it in and turn it on, start recording. It's that easy. But for the price, if you have $330 to pay for this, if you're gonna buy another mic that's just as expensive, maybe $200, maybe $300, just go ahead and get this instead because it's a lot easier to use. All right, guys, next video, I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing this DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Go ahead and like and subscribe and watch my other video on this. I'm gonna be reviewing it and going over. Maybe you need this if you're getting into film. Please gently smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.